Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, wow, I have so much money. I am so rich. I need to start getting rid of it. Well, today I'm going to share with you 5 steps to make sure you go broke and live paycheck to paycheck for your entire life. Step 1. Don't track your finances. Never ever track your spendings. You don't want to know where your money goes. That's completely against the point. Think about it. You go out to a club and spend $150 on drinks with friends. How likely do you think you'll do it again if you know spend $150 every single weekend? Not very likely, I'm assuming. There is an old Russian saying, the less you know, the better you sleep. Therefore, if you have any way of tracking your finances, delete your financial planner, all the apps, get rid of the notebooks. Preferably, don't even look at financial statements from your bank. The less you know, the easier it is to spend money. There is still one inconvenience, however. That's this guy. Every time you go out and you want to spend money, you have to go out and tap. A lot of smart people came up with a solution to this problem though. Subscriptions. Money gets taken out from your account before you ever get to see it. Netflix, Photoshop, Amazon Prime, you use all of them, right? The more you subscribe, the easier it is to spend money. It's the same with online shopping as well. It saves you the burden of going to the store, tapping your credit card, and carrying the groceries with you. The less purchases you see, the less guilt you have. If you combine this with a payment on a new car, things will get out of control very, very quickly. Now that you don't know where your money's going and you have a whole bunch of subscriptions taking money away from you before you even see it, you probably don't have much left. Now this is where our tip number 3 comes in. Get in debt. When you run out of your own money, you can always spend someone else's. The banks have billions of dollars and I'm sure they wouldn't mind lending you a few thousand for a new outfit. The discounts right now are way too good. There is no way you can miss it. Repayment is a problem for the future. Why pay for something now where you can pay monthly forever? If you've done everything up to this step correctly, your balance should be well in the negatives. And now let's take a look at how to keep it that way for the rest of your life. Tip number 4, rely on a single source of income. If you put all of the eggs in one basket and guard that basket with your life, nothing bad could happen, right? Don't worry about changing your job or asking for a promotion. Things are good enough exactly as they are. Looking for income streams, don't bother. Side hustles can actually make you money and we don't want to do that, do we? Most importantly, don't worry about an emergency fund. If something happens, you can get into even more debt. Banks will be running to give you money. One last thing you can do to really ensure financial failure in your life is step number 5. Hang out with people who are not interested in money whatsoever. This tip is a bit different and there is a reason for it. Like many people say, you are the combination of the 5 people you hang out with the most. So, by that logic, you don't want to hang out with anyone successful whatsoever. You want to make sure you spend most of your time with people who go out to clubs, bars, gamble, and spend all of their money on get-rich-quick schemes. They will definitely keep you in check to make sure that you live paycheck to paycheck for the rest of your life. There you go. If you follow these 5 steps, you will guarantee yourself to achieve financial failure in no time. In contrast, I track every single dollar I spent for over 2 years, and the lessons I learned from that will be in my next video. Subscribe to see it come out soon.